Hey guys, in this video I'll teach you how to make a song using AI. You can use this AI for free by clicking the link in the description. First of all, I have to pick a song from here. I'll select Stay With Me and then I'll click on Next. Here I have to select my singer. I'll select Amy and then click on Next. Now here I have to write down lyrics. I will use ChatGPT for it. Write a 5 lines song on Stay With Me and I'll press enter. Stop generate. I'll copy these 4 lines and I'll paste it here. Then I'll click on create song and I'll wait unless my song is generated. Okay, so here is my song. I'll play it for you.
In the moonlight, rise.
You can also download the song. I'll click on download video. You can also download the audio. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.